Tá sé go march an spór slí rí, hiún da lúch lís ich mero cúpur go rí harasta. A siúi ekki na carachanaich a gal pást.
I heard of like a trail running event. It just sounded like really, really bonkers. It was like in the night, or some of it was in the night, and you had to wear a head torch on trail. And I was just like, that's crazy. One of my friends, a Scottish friend, actually was doing it out there. And then, yeah, I heard, that was literally the first time I'd heard about trail running. And the ultras came about a bit later through some other friends who'd kind of got into ultra running, and I signed up for a race that they did in Switzerland in 2016. They did it, and I signed up for it for the next year, 2017, and went and did it. But to prepare for it, I did another one in Oman first. So my first experience was a 50-kilometer race in Oman, and I ran like my first marathon and my first ultra that day. I think I'd only ran about maybe 30 kilometers before, so it was a bit of a big jump, but yeah, just loved it.
A mero gyma minachach sa dói sa haia gulachus on gach reis, agus hai tiction gabili a giúns gyrwt gan úr, ons gach reis cwchach.
There's so many things to take away every race, so I've got a lot of notes from them all, and you know what I've learned, what I did well, what I need to kind of focus on and improve on next time. But yeah, it's got a lot easier in terms of, you know, now I have the right kit, and I've got like the head torches that work long enough, and the spare head torches and the lightest poles. And so yeah, just kind of I focus on the learning, and I'm quite realistic that it's not always going to go perfectly well, but if I do and like plan and prepare my absolute best, then the chances of things going wrong are much slimmer. So yeah.
Va mero mar far siska bevrichting ar farpers na Crinne and the Davlis in the Giag. With the heart the Gamor, as vai a goped colony jipper luch lisichen as coachichen.
You know, I'm racing myself a lot of the time, so it was really nice to be part of a team. And also just, you know, I felt like I was surrounded by just these amazing athletes, particularly in the GB team. Obviously got to spend a lot of time with them and learn things from them. Yeah, no, it was a great experience. It's great to be with great managers as well, and you know, there's always a lot to learn from them and their experience at being at multiple world championships. So just really enjoyed being part of the team. And yeah, I was disappointed in my performance, but hopefully I can do a lot better at the next world champs.
Va merel either hug or sonskip bevrichting ar ochkuchuk eitjiaching in the Crinne and the Thailand na sanimiche de bliene. Tachert is haia jono furidish Gamor.
Yeah, no, I'm delighted. It's great to have earned that spot. It's like a, you know, always been a big goal of mine to represent Great Britain, and I did it a lot earlier in my career than I expected, because I only really started in 2018 in this sport and then raced in 2019. So I didn't have a huge amount of experience then. So I was also called in. I was a reserve, but then brought into the team because someone was injured. So I'm so glad to be like selected and announced as the top 3. There's only been 3 picked at the moment, but to be in amongst those athletes is just incredible. It's really amazing, you know, to see the hard work just pay off, because I don't necessarily think that you know, I'm not as obviously I've got an ability in running, but I think I really had to work to develop it. It's not like, you know, genetically an advantage for me that maybe for some athletes it really has required years and years of hard work, if that makes sense. And yeah, it's just really rewarding to see it pay off.
Ha merel a goppelke crui son Gino Keenjoch genurigi a farpers en neue nieuwing a shared and tuil. As he kujach a dachus a bin as haar exemplar, the farpers she hele.
I just really want a long career in this sport. I want to be a good role model in this sport as, you know, a healthy athlete, and a particularly healthy female athlete who's, you know, got a long career in the sport. I'd love to do some multi-stage ultras at some point. I'd love to do, yeah, like, you know, day after day after day, maybe for like 5 days. And you can obviously, through them, you're running different routes every day, so you get to cover a whole an area, like a really big area in your race, which would be super cool. And yeah, like I really want to keep doing better on the world stage when it comes to the World Championships. So yeah, very excited to see how I can do, and my goals are to do really well at these bigger kind of events that attract the world's best.